Hello everyone and welcome to my full JavaScript tutorial. This tutorial is split into many videos numbered from 1. You can find them all clicking on my playlist. I am not a JavaScript developer yet, however I'm doing my best to do so, and my idea was to create a tutorial for someone who is in the same situation as me. I gather as much information as possible from multiple resources as books or just simply Google, in order to help me to learn and possibly helping you too. What should you know? Well, if you want to learn JavaScript, you have to know the basics of HTML and CSS. Even if you want to become a backend JavaScript developer, the basics are needed, considering that JavaScript works alongside HTML and CSS. What will you learn in this playlist? Well, I will do my best to cover as much as possible, starting from what JavaScript is, how does it work. I will cover the basics as data types, operators, control structures, and so on. We will also learn about JavaScript syntax and more. Before we start, which editor code do I recommend? I will recommend 100% Visual Studio Code. You can download it from this link below. During the tutorial, I will show you also how to add extensions to it to make our life easier. Alright, great. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.